This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Diane Keeley. Prepare to fall in love with this open floor plan ranch in Great Bridge School District. Located on a large fenced yard and a cul-de-sac with a treed view and plenty of curb appeal. Freshly painted, new carpet throughout, new floors in kitchen and entry, plus stainless steel appliances, all done in the last 3 weeks. Air conditioner was replaced in July 2020. Water heater replaced in December 2018. Spacious eat-in kitchen, dining area, family room with gas fireplace, 2-car side-load garage. Finished room over the garage, large patio, front porch to sit on, good-sized master bedroom with walk-in closet, garage tub plus shower, double sinks, and more. Ready for you to start your family memories here. For more information